Dropshipping, turning dreams into deliveries, one sale at a time. In dropshipping, your imagination is the only limit to what you can achieve. Success in dropshipping is about finding the perfect product for the perfect customer at the perfect time. Embrace the freedom of dropshipping. No inventory, no limits, just endless possibilities. In the world of dropshipping, every click is a potential sale, and every sale is a step towards your dreams. Dropshipping, where innovation meets opportunity and entrepreneurs thrive. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its simplicity. Connect customers with products they love without the hassle of inventory. With dropshipping, you're not just selling products, you're creating experiences. In dropshipping, adaptability is key. Stay agile, stay ahead. Dream big, start small, and let dropshipping take you places you've never imagined. In dropshipping, the world is your marketplace. Reach out and make your mark. Success in dropshipping isn't about luck, it's about strategy, persistence, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. In dropshipping, your potential for growth is only limited by your willingness to innovate and adapt. Forget about boundaries. In dropshipping, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. The journey of 1,000 sales begins with a single click. Start dropshipping and let the adventure unfold. In dropshipping, failure is just a stepping stone on the path to success. Learn, adapt, and keep moving forward. With dropshipping, you're not just selling products, you're shaping experiences and building relationships. In dropshipping, the customer isn't just king, they're the heartbeat of your business. Listen, learn, and deliver. The beauty of dropshipping is that you're never alone. Join a community of like-minded entrepreneurs and thrive together. In dropshipping, every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Embrace them, learn from them, and grow stronger. With dropshipping, you're not just building a business, you're crafting a lifestyle. In dropshipping, success isn't just about making sales, it's about making a difference in the lives of your customers.